Awareness meditation, cultivating mindfulness and presence in daily life. In a world filled with endless distractions and a constant push for productivity, the art of simply being aware often needs to be noticed. Awareness meditation, also known as mindfulness meditation, invites us to return to the present moment, observe our thoughts without judgment, and develop a profound connection to our inner and outer worlds. This ancient practice, rooted in traditions like Buddhism, has gained immense popularity in modern wellness circles for its transformative effects on mental clarity, emotional resilience, and overall well-being. What is awareness meditation? At its core, awareness meditation is about cultivating heightened awareness. Unlike other meditation practices that focus on a specific object, sound, or mantra, this approach encourages you to observe everything: your breath, body sensations, thoughts, emotions, and surroundings. The goal isn't to clear the mind or suppress thoughts, but to develop a non-judgmental awareness of what arises. This practice nurtures mindfulness, helping you respond to life's challenges with clarity and stability instead of reacting impulsively. How to practice awareness meditation. Starting an awareness meditation practice is simple and requires no special tools or equipment. Follow these steps to begin. Find a quiet space. Choose a space where you won't be interrupted. While complete silence isn't necessary, a calm environment can help minimize distractions. Sit comfortably. Sit in a comfortable position, either on a chair or a cushion. Keep your back straight but relaxed, allowing for natural breathing. Focus on your breath. Begin by bringing your attention to your breath. Notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your nostrils, or the rise and fall of your chest and abdomen. Expand your awareness. Gradually widen your focus to include body sensations, sounds, and thoughts. Observe each element without trying to change or judge it. Acknowledge it and let it pass. Return to the present. If your mind wanders, and it will, gently bring your focus back to the present moment. Use your breath as an anchor. Set a timer. Start with a short session, such as 5 to 10 minutes, and gradually increase the duration as you feel more comfortable. Benefits of awareness meditation. Awareness meditation offers numerous benefits for the mind, body, and soul. Here's what you can expect: improved focus and concentration. By training your mind to stay in the present, you enhance your ability to concentrate on tasks and reduce the impact of distractions. Reduced stress and anxiety. Awareness meditation helps activate the parasympathetic nervous system, promoting relaxation and lowering cortisol levels. Enhanced emotional resilience. Practicing non-judgmental awareness allows you to observe emotions without being overwhelmed, leading to better emotional regulation, deeper connection to yourself and others. This practice fosters a sense of self-awareness and empathy, improving relationships and helping you respond thoughtfully in social situations. Better sleep. Mindfulness techniques like awareness meditation are effective tools for calming the mind, making falling and staying asleep easier. Practical tips for success. Practice consistently. Daily practice, even for a few minutes, can yield significant benefits over time. Be patient. Meditation is a skill that develops gradually. Don't be discouraged if your mind wanders frequently. And incorporate mindfulness into daily life. Use awareness meditation techniques while eating, walking, or even washing dishes to cultivate mindfulness throughout your day. Use guided meditations. If you're new to meditation, guided sessions can provide structure and support as you learn. Final thoughts. Awareness meditation is more than a relaxation technique. It's a way of life. By nurturing your ability to be present, you unlock a wellspring of peace, clarity, and resilience that can profoundly transform your daily experiences.